Hello all, in today's video we will see hash function. It is a very simple purpose. They take a potentially long message, generate a unique output value derived from the content of the input message. This value is called message digest. The sender generates this message digest with the original message and transmit both this message digest and the message to the recipient. Why do we need to send both? Because the receiver again with the message he will compute the digest value for the original message and compare the message digest with the one received from the sender. If both match, then we can ensure that the integrity of the message is not affected in the transmission. Even a slight difference will generate totally different digest value. With this, we can confirm somebody intercept the message in the transmission. Next one, this message digest is used in the digital signature algorithm. Don't worry, I will explain clearly how the digital signature algorithm works in my upcoming video. Usually, this message digest is 128 bits or larger. However, a single digit value can be used to perform the function of parity, a low level or single digit checksum value used to provide a single individual point of verification. In most cases, the longer the message digest, the more reliable its verification of integrity. Let's see the basic requirements of hash function. Input can be of any length, but the output should be fixed length. This function is relatively easy to compute for any input. The hash function is a one-way function. What does it mean? It is extremely hard to determine the input when provided with the output. The last one is hash function is collision resistant. It means it is extremely hard to find two messages that produce the same hash value. Some of the common algorithm in use are secure hash function algorithm SHA, message digestify MD5, ripe message digest ripe MD, hash message authentication code HMAC, hash of variable length Havel, and so on. Don't worry, I will explain you each length of these algorithm and in detail in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.